In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently log into your Salesforce account, specifically using the Dream Efficiency 5303.mysalesforce. Com domain. If you're someone who finds navigating through login screens a bit daunting, or you simply want to ensure you're doing it correctly, you're in the right place. I'll guide you step by step through this process. Let's start with the very first step. You'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to dreamefficiency5303.mysalesforce.com. Typing this into the address bar will take you directly to the Salesforce login page, the starting point of our journey. Once the page has loaded, you should be looking at the login screen. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the field where it asks for your username. Now it's my turn to offer a tiny bit of advice here. It's good practice to ensure that the browser you're using is secure, particularly if you're logging into a Salesforce account where sensitive business data might be at stake. Now, back to the page. Click on the empty space where username is prompted, and this will open up the field for editing. Once you've clicked in here, you need to type in the username that was assigned to you by your Salesforce admin or the one you set up during your registration. Take a moment as you enter your username just to make sure there are no typos, as this will prevent you from accessing the account. Now it's time to move on to the password field. This is just a short move over from the username. Just below or beside it, you'll find it labeled conveniently as password. Click there to make this field active. Now carefully type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so every character counts. Doing a double check on what you've typed is never a bad idea. Once both your username and password have been entered correctly, your next action will be to find the Login button on this page. It's usually very visible and just a click away after inputting your details. Place your cursor over it and hit click. If everything was done correctly, you should now be logged into your Salesforce dashboard, ready to take on your tasks with ease. If, for any reason, your login attempts fail, remember to double-check both your username and password for accuracy. If you still have trouble, you may need to reset your password or contact your Salesforce admin to ensure there isn't an issue with your account. And that's it. A straightforward guide to getting into your Salesforce account quickly and efficiently. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, making your login experience a breeze. Until next time, take care and happy Salesforce navigating.